Understanding idiomatic expressions. I was in a fog. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions. Specifically, we'll unravel the meaning behind the phrase, I was in a fog. Idioms like this one can add color and depth to your language skills. So let's get started. An idiom is a phrase or an expression that has a figurative meaning different from its literal meaning. In other words, you cannot understand the true meaning of an idiom just by looking at the individual words. Idioms are an essential part of everyday English, and learning them can be both fun and challenging. The phrase, I was in a fog, doesn't mean that the person was literally standing in a fog. Instead, it's a metaphorical way of saying that someone was confused, disoriented, or not thinking clearly. It's often used to describe a state of mind where things aren't clear, just like how a physical fog makes it hard to see. Let's see how this phrase can be used in different contexts. 1. After a long flight. When I landed after the 16-hour flight, I was in a fog and couldn't think straight. 2. During stressful times. During the exams, I was in a fog and forgot some of the key points I had studied. 3. Emotional situations. After hearing the shocking news, she was in a fog and couldn't respond immediately. Other idiomatic expressions with similar meanings include out of sorts, feeling a little unwell or in a bad mood. In a daze, being in a state of shock or confusion. Head in the clouds, not paying attention or daydreaming. And that wraps up our journey through the idiom, I was in a fog. Remember, idioms are a great way to enrich your language and express your thoughts in a more colorful way. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find yourself using them naturally in conversations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has cleared up any confusion. Stay tuned for more fun and informative English lessons.